In this video, I'll demonstrate how to delete WordPress posts individually and in bulk. As an example, let's delete this first post on my website, these signs behind espresso extraction. So at first, let's log into WordPress dashboard and make sure you log into your admin account. Then hover on posts and then click on all posts. Let's locate the post in question right here. There are a few ways how we can delete it. At first, we can use the block editor. In this case, let's click on edit. And then within the block editor, make sure you enable the settings right here. And then click on move to trash. And then once again, let's confirm the change. Perfect, so the post was just moved to trash. Now if I go back to my website and try refreshing it, and as you can notice, that post is no longer available on the website. But just keep in mind that it was not permanently deleted. In order to fully delete it, we have to go back to the dashboard and then select trash. And then let's hover on this post and then click delete permanently. And that's it, now it has been permanently deleted. Alternatively, if you wish to delete multiple posts at the same time, let's go back to all posts. Make sure you select all. And then let's try deleting these 3 posts. Let's select them. And then click on bulk actions, move to trash, and apply. Once again, if I go back to my website and refresh it, and as you notice, the other 3 posts are no longer visible. And as usual, let's go ahead and delete them permanently. Let's go back to dashboard, click on trash, then select the 3 posts, click on bulk actions, delete permanently, and apply. And that's pretty much it. Deleting WordPress posts is really that simple. So as usual, I hope you found this tip helpful, and for more WordPress tutorials, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.